Have you ever wondered why the day suddenly turns into night, the temperature drops, and the birds stop singing? No, it's not the end of the world. It's a solar eclipse, one of the most spectacular celestial events that we can observe from our planet. In the cosmic ballet of the heavens, sometimes the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, steps between the sun and the earth, momentarily plunging us into a surreal twilight. This is what we call a solar eclipse. To understand it in a simpler way, imagine you are watching a play. The sun is the spotlight, the earth is the stage, and the moon is an actor that suddenly walks in front of the spotlight, casting a shadow onto the stage. There are three types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. In a total solar eclipse, the moon completely covers the sun. During a partial eclipse, only a part of the sun is obscured, and in an annular eclipse, the moon is farther from the earth, so it appears smaller and does not completely cover the sun, leaving a bright ring, or annulus, of sunlight visible around the moon. Solar eclipses are not just fascinating celestial events, they have practical consequences too. For example, they provide unique opportunities for scientists to study the sun's corona, the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere. Normally, the corona is obscured by the sun's bright light, but during a total solar eclipse, when the moon completely blocks the sun, the corona becomes visible. This has led to important discoveries about the sun's structure and behavior. Solar eclipses also have an impact on our planet. The sudden darkness and drop in temperature that occur during a total solar eclipse can confuse animals and birds, causing them to behave as if night has fallen. One of the most fascinating things about solar eclipses is their rarity. While partial and annular eclipses occur more frequently, total solar eclipses are quite rare. Any given location on Earth experiences a total solar eclipse only about once every 375 years. So, to recap, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow onto the Earth. There are three types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. Solar eclipses allow scientists to study the sun's corona, and they can also affect wildlife behavior. And remember, if you ever get a chance to witness a total solar eclipse, don't miss it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Remember, safety first. Never look directly at the sun during a solar eclipse without proper protection, as it can cause serious damage to your eyes. So the next time you witness this extraordinary cosmic dance, take a moment to marvel at the wonders of our universe.